Fabrication, and I'm here today on behalf of Mobile Solutions to introduce you to the Mobile Solutions Perfect Circle. The Mobile Solutions Perfect Circle is a specialized tool that attaches to your router in order to cut precision inside and outside diameter circles. The Perfect Circle tool is machined from half-inch aircraft grade 6061 billet aluminum in order to be robust yet light and handle fabrication tasks for years to come. In order to use the Perfect Circle, we start with removing the base plate from our router. The Perfect Circle is designed to match up with the popular Porter cable router bolt pattern, but you can also modify it by drilling your own mounting holes for your particular router. Next, we drill an 1/8" hole into the center of our workpiece. In this particular example, we'll be making a subwoofer cutout hole. This 1/8" hole gives us a spot to position our 1/8" center pin on the Perfect Circle. Next, we loosen the Perfect Circle adjustment knob and then adjust our router to position. I've drawn the lines on the workpiece that tell me the diameter of the hole that I'm trying to make. Once adjusted, we tighten the adjustment knob. Next, we turn on the router and we can plunge it into the workpiece. As we rotate the router around the center point, the router cuts a perfect circle. Cutting a perfect circle using this tool and method ensures that our speakers have an excellent seal against the mounting baffle. Another great feature of this tool is how much of a range of circles it can cut. Circles as small as 1" diameter are possible. For even larger circles, we can flip around the centering pin slide. This allows us to cut circles that have a diameter as large as 30 inches. So whether it's cutting small circles for speaker terminals or tweeters, or large holes for subwoofers, the Perfect Circle is a robust tool ready to accept the task.
Bessie's cabinet clamps for face frames give you the convenience of 3 tools in one. They work to draw the face frames together side to side, help to align the frames across the front face, and provide a steel guide bushing so you can pre-drill and screw your face frames together while they're still being held by the clamps. The clamp body and side jaw are cast steel for durability and strength. They feature legs on the back side to allow the pressure plate to align the face frames front to back. And the guide bushing snaps conveniently out of the way for driving the screw once the face frames have been pre-drilled. These clamps are simple and effective. Engage the legs of the side jaws against the back of the face frames, and tighten the side jaws, drawing the 2 cabinets together. Before final tightening, the center pressure plate is used to align the cabinets face to face. And this is the time to align the cabinets top to bottom as well. Once the cabinets are fully aligned, tighten the side jaws. The guide bushing is automatically in position for drilling the pilot holes. Then it snaps out of the way, leaving plenty of room to drive the screw. These cabinet clamps for face frames from Bessie efficiently clamp your cabinets together, hold them in place, and guide your drilling, allowing you to set your cabinets quickly and with a minimum number of clamps.